Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be creating a really quick striped cake using a square frosting comb. I'm using a 4-inch cake for this project, 6-inch cake board. My cake has been stacked and crumb coated with buttercream. I'm applying a black buttercream finish over the top, starting at the very top of the cake, working my way down the sides, and then I'm just going in straight with the square frosting comb. So we're not going to smooth out our frosting first, we're going to use the comb to do that for us and just skip that step. Go around until you are happy with the depth of the indent, and then drag the top lip towards the middle of the cake. You can clean up the cake board with a white wet paper towel. And then to create the little splotchy paint that we're going to be using here, I have my edible red luster dust, which is like a nice shimmery sort of finish, and some vodka. Use a chopstick or a fork or a knife or something hard that you can tap the brush against to get those splotches everywhere. Into the middle of those indents, I'm piping in with a number 32 piping tip, creating tiny stars and doing my best to keep them the same size. You can use the bottom and the top of the indent as a guide so you know kind of where to stop it. For the top, I'm creating 3 little dollops to stick my chocolate pumpkin on, and I created these chocolate pumpkins in a different video. You can also download the template so that you can make them at home yourself. At the very front, I'm adding tiny little stars here and there, and then I'm going to dress it up with edible cookies. I wanted the back pumpkin to be raised, so I created a nice tall dollop of buttercream. Stick it over the top, and then add your cookies. I've chosen silver this time around. I've got some large ones and some small ones for extra pop and contrast. Add some larger cookies at the very front, kind of concentrating them where the lines are or into that red frosting. And that's it, your cake is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy cake design and give it a go. If you do, hashtag Rosie's Dessert Spot so I can check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.